I'm an apprentice welder at Charles Thompson Engineering. We make pipework and pressure vessel systems, and I really like my job here and my apprenticeship in general because they give me lots of good opportunities to progress through the workforce, and they pay for all my training and I get paid while I learn. My time at AMRC has given me very valuable skills that have helped me move into a proper workforce position, having real responsibility on the jobs.
Matt's been with us now for a few months here at Charles Thompson, and in that time he's really excelled as an apprentice. He's integrated really well with the guys, the quality of the work is above standard, and we can see him here in the job role in future as a real asset to the company, and it's really great to see him nominated for this award.
So my career goals are to progress with the AMRC as long as my employer will fund it and sponsor me for that. Then hopefully I can move into a non-destructive testing position, either within the company or maybe contracting out. And then after that I would love to be a welding engineer.